It's a painful everyday reminder of the effects of the 1996 Trovan drug trial that went badly wrong in Kano State, Nigeria, so Shamsu's parents claim. They've fed him breakfast like this ever since. In July, makers of the drug, which was designed to treat meningitis, the pharmaceutical giant Pfizer, agreed to pay $75 million compensation in a deal agreed with the Nigerian authorities, though Pfizer still deny all wrongdoing. Now, conditions of the deal are being leaked, which could see some of the affected families get nothing.
This hospital is where the drug trial took place. Now, parents of the victims are being asked to produce evidence that their children were part of the trial, such as this bed ticket which proves admission to the hospital, this pink receipt which could have been given by Pfizer, and a wristband that the child ought to have been wearing.
The problem is, many of the affected families like Shamsu's are poor and illiterate, and simply wouldn't have understood the importance of record keeping.
All the documents showing that Shamsu was part of the trial were at my mother's house. When she died some years back, we simply didn't realize the importance of those documents, so we disposed all them.
The evidence being demanded from families before compensation money can be released is partly designed to guard against fraud. 200 children were tested with Trovan, but more than 400 families have come forward to claim a payout that could reach $175,000 per affected family. Shamsu's father denies he's trying to commit fraud.
Between me and God, I would not put my name or Shamsu's name on this if it were not true. I just want to get this money to look after Shamsu. That is why I'm pursuing this case.
We've been told 75% of the families of alleged victims don't have any of the documents required to get the compensation money. Taking part in a DNA test, the results of which might link them to the 1996 Trovan trial, is their only hope. But many fear what a DNA test may do to them and won't take part, which begs the question, what will happen to the compensation money if no one can meet the criteria for claiming it? The man who spearheaded the campaign against Pfizer now thinks the deal could collapse.
It's already becoming too rigorous, and we're already getting worried that it's getting too long, and the parents of the victims are already complaining. Probably we will create a situation whereby the Board of Trustees, the management of Pfizer, and our own government will have to sit again and discuss.
If the Pfizer deal goes back to the drawing board, it could take years to be agreed again, but it could also make it easier for victims to claim money. Yvonne Ndege, Jazeera, Kano State, Nigeria.